Alright, somebody at Reggae Sumfest 2018 with the lady herself, Queen of Stage, Spice Official. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You know what? I'm not even going to tell you nothing about your performance. We're not hear yet. So you know what? I'm going to say something where you never yet hear from Jamaican people. Your performance is boring, it flop, no excitement, it just lame. Come and tell you, you must have hear compliments and shell down the show a year after year. You must have your answer then prepare a long time.
Kill me.
No, I'm just, you must have her answer.
Prepare for that one day, Berry.
Someone else say your performance is boring. Like, I'm tired. What kind of work and effort and energy and time goes into like preparing for Reggae Sumfest?
A lot of stress and drama. I tell myself that I need to record so people can get to see what happened behind the scene. But every year I put in a lot of work and try to outdo myself and try to give the people them something. My name is Spice. I have to live up to the name. Give them a spicy show, spice up the thing, and you know, Queen of Stage, Queen of Dancehall. I have to share it.
So one thing I normally like about your performances is that, especially for Sumfest, is that you go for some, you know, you go for some topical songs. You already have your hits them, but you bring the same sting, you know, like real, we call it Jamaican jam down, you know, Yardman style to the show.
Me give them a show. That's really what Spice is about. That's why I call myself Queen of Stage, because I dominate the stage. Me give them a show. You know, I'm an entertainer. Me not just come sing the song them. If we don't want to hear the source of song, we could listen to me on the radio. So, you know, I just have to incorporate some little things and spice up the show.
Alright, so, you know, I follow you up on IG and all them something there. One of my question is, you ever go up on the, you ever go up on the stage and just like tired for just like skin out the good?
Oh, can I think of someone mix?
No. When it's a job, like, you know, like everyone they go up there and go up on the stage, and you just say, no, I'm gonna feel like fling up the leg today.
No, I feel like we fling it up all the time.
Jesus Christ.
All the time, I feel like we skin out the good.
Jesus Okay, so now, how is your best friend Bella Blair? May I say you and Tommie did a WhatsApp last night? You... One word for describe Bella, Spice. Are the robot one you gonna do with the head now, Spice? Because no, Spice, me gonna talk to you. Me have a social media account up on YouTube.
Lisa Hannah told me to be grace and to behave myself. And tonight, I'm going to take that word of advice.
Yes, because I'm
going to be on my best behavior because Lisa Hannah told me so.
Lisa Hannah, I'm going to message you after this. I want Spice Official because me and Lisa are friends too. Okay? And me want Spice Official. So one word for describe Bella Blair. Jesus beam. But I talk to
I hope she gets a hit soon.
Oh Jesus beam. Oh Lord. The shade. Bella is Bella is my co-worker.
That's not a shade, Berry. I hope she gets a good hit song soon.
You know, I think a collab with you and her would be cool. Like how you have a collab with Tommie. So clearly, you know, you collaborate with people who you might not be that cool with. So talk to us about that song. Since you know what answer, talk to us about talk to us about that song called I'ma Get It. Because I see you put it up on your IG, you know, look like you don't really want to promote the song.
You see something put it up?
When you put it up, when it just come out and I go up on Fear page, should I push it? When I go over your page, I never see nothing, maybe I miss it. But you start to push it now? Because I never expect Spice so that would like murder hip hop beat like that. Because everybody in the comments is basically Spice. If me and Tommie, I feel bad. Nobody go up on a YouTube page, everybody Spice. Like honestly, I did totally forget. So when I see the things I feature in Spice, I think of the year song. You take over the girl song, that unfair Spice.
I go away. I can't go away. I don't feel I want to go away. I want to go away.
Really?
Yes.
No, but so now we want to talk about like the Women's Empowerment Foundation.
Yes, let's talk about that.
So no, my only critique is, may I tell you, say Spice, you should have started after Love and Hip Hop. After.
No.
Alright, so talk to me about that. No, yeah.
There's Grace Hamilton and there is Spice. Love and Hip Hop franchise has nothing to do with Christianity. I'm sure they get that. So I'm never going to try to keep church.
Yeah.
Remember me first go panic, go fight. So everybody knows what the entire franchise is about, that it brings drama. So if them want fight, me not go sit down and act like, okay, beat me. Everybody knows say look at something that have to go on, and you know, because you know what the show is about. I know what the show is about. Me did know say me go in there look at drama, go on, and people are go bash me, and people are go like me, and I know that. That's what the show is about. So at the end of the day, I mean, I only, went there to get more internationally known because a lot of people believe that dancehall is already big and them say, Lord, you're the queen already. Where you go on the show for? You never need that. But a lot of people don't know that dancehall is not at the place where it's supposed to be. There's still room for it. There's still room for improvement. And me just want to try to get dancehall in every local cribix and corner. And if I see a way to do it strategically, then I'm going to,
You hear them big word, eh? That's the other part of Spice. No,
beauty and the brain. Beauty and the brain.
But now like Spice, so use one word. Wait, name put in anonymous.
Librocubicularis.
Yeah, them look at something there. Yeah, they make me have to go through my thesaurus, my the dictionary, and find. Yeah, they actually know them word, Spice.
Of course, the Librocubicularis, person that reads in bed or read before bed, like.
That is what I like about it.
Everybody knows that me write my one song.
Yeah.
Yes.
But the other part I like for Sonia mixing the Grace Hamilton and I interviewed them because you were on the interview with Sister Circle the other day.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm saying you have a nice little dress like you got Buckingham Palace and you own your own.
There's a time and place for everything. And that's what I want to tell the fans. So when you see me with my kids, them nobody around come say, lads, can out them? Yes, good. I'm gonna be like, excuse me? And then they get confused because that's where Grace Hamilton is the mother, not the Spice. No Spice, no they saw again. So I mean, it's hard to explain, but I mean, the persona is too different, totally too different.
Are you dating now? Spice, the queen, you're gonna need a king. 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 You're gonna need a king Spice, so Crystal and Beenie Man there. So Crystal and Beenie Man, the king and queen.
I can't breathe.
Wait, you know who my picture you with? My picture with it's like how Rihanna have a money man when nobody really know about. My picture like one of them, like from Dubai.
Yes.
Like him own like investments and them something there.
That's why I like you.
Yeah, them look at something there. Yes, them money man there. Nobody not really know him. Them just know same have money.
You have sense.
That's it.
That I like about you. You have sense. You're not fool.
Exactly.
Yes, that I like about you.
Okay.
Yes, I him that.
Sometimes I feel like I could just make one wish, and that one wish would probably be for me to create my own man just the way I want it.
I will congratulate you on your videos them because a lot of dancehall artists them don't put as much effort into the visuals and the girl will come talk about your videos them horrible.
Oh man, I want people to understand maybe she did drunk. She not always sober now, so maybe she was drunk at that time.
Yes. The Bonnie and Clyde, this a Spice and Tommie. Roll out now the car with the top down. Dirty gal every ear talk or drop down.
I have to big up my fans and big up Extreme Arts, Cash Flow, where I always put the idea them and help me bring it to reality. I put a lot of effort on, thinking on my video. TikTok video drop and it got 4 million views in space of 3 weeks.
Okay, so before we leave the last question, pop question, what is one advice you would give to the person that is currently dating your ex?
Keep him.
That's it?
Yeah, keep him.
Well, that's it from our Spice interview. Reggae Sumfest 2018. Always nice seeing you. And she shell down the stage. And I'm going to show you some highlights, after this.
Make sure show the good part them, Box cover.
Yeah.
Box cover. Box cover. Box cover. Box cover. Box cover. Box cover. Box cover.
So that could be a new hit song, though.
Box cover.
The box cover wine.
Yeah.
All right.
I know why they're not like me. Copy things about me. Oh yeah, let me tell you about. I know people they know. The amount of things they say about me. And them they know the part of the story. Them say me do my best, but if we have the grass here tonight, is dropped down. Tonight this job done. All the big party them a talk to them in the room and see when it's search that. Them a chat me say me black. Now me gonna put me black and tight and it black.